Hello, this is John Hart, and we'll be going over frequency table, how to set it up for the Unit 2 assignment. I've got some random numbers here between 51 and 100. The assignment calls for 0 to 50. So I have the steps here. First, let's sort the numbers. So we'll highlight them. In the number column, we don't have to do anything with the student number here. And we'll click on data up here and sort. And it thinks we want to do 2 columns. We just want to do 1. And we'll click sort. And we do not have a desire to include headers, so we'll uncheck that and then click OK. It's going to go smallest to largest. Column B, yeah, that's column B. We'll click OK. Now it's sorted from smallest to largest. And we can see easily what's smallest is 52 and largest is 100. We'll just type that in there for future reference and make things a little more user-friendly. We'll click on View after we click here to freeze things, freeze panes. When we're scrolling, we can keep track of which column is which. So step 1, step 2, calculate the difference between smallest and largest equals, and then we'll click on largest, and then minus on my keyboard is in the upper right hand corner, and click on the smallest and then enter. And it's 48, and we can see that equation here. B49 is here minus B48. B48 is here. So 48 would go down here, just to keep notes here for ourselves. And divide, this is the range of the entire data set, so divide that range by desired number of classes from 3 to 5. If we get more than 5, that tends to defeat the purpose of making things easier on the reader to grasp the data in a glance or two. So we'll say 4, looks like would divide nicely there, so it equals total range divided by is a slash sign, forward slash, I believe it's called that. And we can click on 48, potential spam. So that was not the way to go. So it equals 48 divided by 4 classes. So our width is 12 for each class. So I have this started here. The width for numbers, the number column, is 12. So we'll start with the smallest. So the width there is 52 to 52 plus 12. 64, and then start with the next number, 65 plus 12, 77, 78 to 90, and for the last one, the fourth one, we can do this, 91 plus. And we'll see if we can get that over in the middle with the others. So for 52 to 64, let's highlight that. Goes down, so 66 is not in that interval. 63 is. And we can see the count there right here is 17. And you can look down here, count here is 17. So that's our frequency or count of numbers between 52 to 64. 65, so there's no 65. 63 is not in that interval, but 66 is. So we'll start there, and 65 to 77 is that. And the count is 8. 78 to 90. 77 is not there, but 79 is. 78 to 90 is there, and we have 12. 12R with the left clicker still held down. I see 12R, so 12 rows, 12 numbers, and 91 plus is the rest, which is that. The count is, looks like 8. And let's get a total row there. And we can left click that, and we see at the bottom sum is 45. If we want to total that, 45. So it's a good idea to total things to double check, making sure you're getting the number from each student. So student number 1 picked 52. Number 2 also picked 52. The 12th student to post in discussion picked 58, and so on. So that gives you an idea of Unit 1 discussion as well. And thank you for watching.